my name is Victoria, but everybody calls me Tori. I'm at the beach, but it's kind of windy, and we're actually like being blown away. Yeah, we took the metro. We hit my hair. Yeah, and he's scared because he has an afro. I'm literally being blown away. So yeah, I hope this is like a good, fun video for you guys. So everybody, we just came to Venice Beach, and there's like a lot of I feel really bad for them because they have no home. Yeah, let's all come together to have the home. And us, because I'm so soaked. Here's our location. It's Santa Monica, and there's this weird looking
Want to look over there?
This is an update on my YouTube. The water, Sharknado's about to happen. Sharks are about to come out of the water. And you can see the waves over there. It's pretty great.
Wait, 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 wait.
Hi, so I'm just finishing my vlog. It's a fan right there. She just passed by. Wait, no, I want yogurt. That way. So right now we're gonna get yogurt. And this is where we're at. Move out of the video. That's where we're at. I have my hot Cheetos right here. And we're like frozen. My hair is wet. Yeah, we're just here. Yeah, dude, it's a rough life being a YouTuber. Nobody wants to say hi. We're waiting to get something to eat. I don't know where he's going. He's embarrassed to be in my vlog. Like, he's kind of shy. Actually, he is shy. Yeah. And I had yogurt lamb, but I didn't vlog it. Only besties twin.
The fuck are you talking about, nigga? I don't know.
We're going on our second train back home.
Welcome aboard the Metro Purple.
So we just got off the train. And I lost Eric. I don't know where he went. Oh! He was hiding behind the pole.